Hi guys, I'm making dinner. I have not made one for a little while, a keto food dinner. So I'm just gonna run through really fast what I did and show you how easy it is. I'm using my Instapot. I just put it on saute, put butter in there, put the raw sausages in there and cooked the sausages some just to brown them. And then now I'm putting bell pepper in, and I put in 1 can of Michelob Ultra. And then I'm cutting the bell peppers, as you can tell, they're kind of big, but that's because they're in there, and when they're in there, they shrink up some and they get really soggy, so that's how I like them. They get really soft, I should say. So I'm going to put it on manual for 8 minutes, and then it will cook this all up, and then dinner will be ready. Okay, so I just cut up 1 more bell pepper. So I actually have 4 bell peppers in here. I have 10 sausages and then 1 can of beer, and I did 4 tablespoons of butter when I originally did it. My dog's gonna go crazy. She loves this part. Manual for 8 minutes, and then just make sure that top part is locked. But that's it. So I'm gonna attempt to do these small little cooking videos just so you have an idea of the kind of stuff we eat, so you can see how fast that is. It's 98 degrees here today or something like that. So it is warm, so I don't want to cook on the stove. I don't want to cook in the oven. I just want to get it done with and over with and go swimming. So you guys have a good day.